I'm hoping a record-breaking short video, because this is the easiest drink. It's called a Canasta. He says about the Canasta, not too bad, but if you don't mind, you can have your Canasta. I'll take bridge. I think that's like a joke about games. I bet he thought he was real dang clever with that one. Old David E.A. Embury. So Canasta is only 1 part lemon juice, 2 parts Southern Comfort, ice. This baby's done. That's it. So easy. Alright, let's try this. This is a Canasta.
Oh, it smells good.
I mean, it's probably just like a whiskey sour, because it's like the Southern Comfort takes care of the sweet part. Like, normally you would add some, like, sugar syrup. I'm ruining the shortness of the video. Go, try it!
I recommend it. It tastes really good. Thanks. Oh, that is good.
Yeah, pretty smooth. Pretty easy. Yeah. Like and subscribe.